The knee joint is one of the largest and most complex joints in the human body, comprising bones, cartilage, ligaments, tendons, and muscles, all working together to facilitate movement and support the body's weight. Cartilage, a smooth, rubbery tissue, covers the ends of bones within the joint, providing cushioning and enabling smooth articulation. Ligaments, on the other hand, connect bones to stabilize the joint and prevent excessive movement. The significance of maintaining strong and healthy knees, cartilage, and ligaments cannot be overstated. Beyond enabling basic activities such as walking, running, and climbing stairs, the integrity of these structures is vital for athletic performance, balance, and stability. Knee health influences the overall quality of life, as pain and dysfunction in this area can restrict mobility and hinder participation in activities we enjoy. In this video, we'll delve into the top ways to strengthen these vital components of your musculoskeletal system, equipping you with knowledge and strategies to promote longevity and resilience in your knee joints. Without further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Regular exercise regimen. Engaging in regular physical activity is essential for maintaining the health and function of your knees and supporting structures. Exercise helps strengthen the muscles surrounding the knee joint, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and glutes, which provide stability and support during movement. Strong muscles help absorb shock and reduce stress on the knees, decreasing the risk of injury and degenerative conditions like osteoarthritis. In addition to strengthening muscles, exercise also improves joint flexibility and range of motion, which is vital for preventing stiffness and maintaining mobility. Stretching exercises help lengthen tight muscles and tendons, reducing tension and improving joint flexibility. Low-impact exercises are particularly beneficial for joint health, as they minimize stress on the knees while still providing cardiovascular and muscular benefits. Activities like swimming, cycling, walking, and using elliptical machines offer a great way to get your heart pumping without subjecting your knees to excessive impact. These exercises are gentle on the joints and can be adapted to suit individuals of all fitness levels and abilities. Strength training exercises are another important component of a well-rounded exercise regimen for joint health. Targeted exercises that focus on strengthening the muscles around the knees, such as squats, lunges, leg presses, and calf raises, help build muscle mass and improve joint stability. Gradually increasing the resistance and intensity of these exercises can further enhance muscle strength and endurance, providing greater support for the knees during daily activities and physical exertion. Number 2. Maintaining a healthy weight. Carrying excess weight places significant strain on the knees, particularly during weight-bearing activities such as walking, running, and climbing stairs. Every additional pound of body weight exerts multiplied force on the knees, leading to increased wear and tear on the joint tissues over time. This excess stress can contribute to cartilage degeneration, inflammation, and joint pain, predisposing individuals to conditions like osteoarthritis. Achieving and maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for reducing the strain on your knees and preserving joint health. Aiming for a body mass index (BMI) within the healthy range, 18.5 to 24.9, can help alleviate pressure on the knees and reduce the risk of joint-related problems. Even modest weight loss can lead to significant improvements in knee pain and function, making it an essential component of joint health management. Adopting a balanced diet and regular exercise regimen are key strategies for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Emphasizing whole, nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats can help you manage your calorie intake while providing essential nutrients for overall health. Incorporating regular physical activity into your routine can help burn calories, increase metabolism, and build lean muscle mass, supporting long-term weight management goals. In addition to dietary and exercise interventions, mindful eating practices can help promote healthy eating habits and prevent overeating. Paying attention to hunger and fullness cues, practicing portion control, and avoiding emotional eating can help you make more conscious choices about your food intake and prevent unnecessary weight gain. Before we continue, if you're enjoying the video, take a moment to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. We're here to help. Now, let's get back. Number 3. Proper footwear and orthotics. The shoes you wear can significantly impact the health and function of your knees and lower body. Ill-fitting or unsupported footwear can alter biomechanics, leading to poor alignment, increased stress on the knees, and a heightened risk of injury. Conversely, shoes that provide adequate cushioning, arch support, and stability help absorb shock, reduce impact forces, and promote proper foot and ankle alignment, which can alleviate strain on the knees. When selecting footwear for daily activities or exercise, consider factors such as fit, cushioning, stability, and support. Look for shoes with ample cushioning in the midsole and heel to absorb shock during impact activities like walking or running. A supportive arch and firm heel counter can help stabilize the foot and ankle, improving overall alignment and reducing stress on the knees. For individuals with specific foot conditions or biomechanical issues, custom orthotics may be beneficial. Orthotics are shoe inserts designed to provide additional support, cushioning, and alignment correction based on individual foot shape and mechanics. They can help address issues such as overpronation, flat feet, high arches, or biomechanical imbalances that may contribute to knee pain or dysfunction. Orthotics can be prescribed by a podiatrist or obtained over the counter, depending on individual needs and preferences. Custom orthotics are tailored to the unique characteristics of your feet and may offer more precise correction and support compared to off-the-shelf options. However, high-quality prefabricated orthotics may also provide effective support and alignment for many individuals. Number 4. Warm-up and cool-down routines. Warm-up exercises serve to prepare your body for the demands of exercise by gradually increasing your heart rate, warming up your muscles, and improving joint flexibility and mobility. A dynamic warm-up typically consists of a series of movements that target major muscle groups and joints, such as leg swings, arm circles, lunges, and gentle stretches. Performing dynamic warm-up exercises helps to activate the muscles and lubricate the joints, making them more resilient and less susceptible to injury during exercise. In addition to physical benefits, warm-up routines also provide an opportunity to mentally prepare for exercise, focus on proper form and technique, and set intentions for your workout. Taking a few minutes to center yourself and connect with your body can help optimize performance and enhance the overall exercise experience. Cooling down after exercise is equally important for promoting recovery and preventing injury. A proper cool-down routine allows your heart rate and breathing to gradually return to baseline levels, helps remove metabolic waste products from your muscles, and reduces the risk of post-exercise muscle soreness and stiffness. Cool-down exercises typically include static stretches, foam rolling, and gentle movements that target the muscles worked during your workout. Static stretching is an effective way to improve flexibility and reduce muscle tension after exercise. Holding stretches for 20 to 30 seconds allows the muscles to relax and lengthen, promoting flexibility and preventing tightness. Focus on stretching major muscle groups, such as the quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and hip flexors, as well as any areas that feel particularly tight or tense. Number 5. Using proper techniques during exercise. Proper form and technique are essential for maximizing the benefits of exercise while minimizing the risk of injury. When performing strength training exercises such as squats, lunges, deadlifts, and overhead presses, it's important to maintain proper alignment and control throughout the movement. This includes keeping your knees aligned with your toes, maintaining a neutral spine, engaging your core muscles, and using controlled movements to avoid momentum or jerking motions. In addition to strength training exercises, proper technique is also crucial for activities like running, cycling, and swimming. Pay attention to your posture, stride length, and foot placement to ensure optimal biomechanics and reduce the risk of overuse injuries. For example, when running, aim for a mid-foot strike, maintain an upright posture, and avoid overstriding or excessive heel striking. If you're unsure about the proper technique for a particular exercise, consider seeking guidance from a qualified fitness professional, such as a personal trainer or physical therapist. They can provide instruction, feedback, and corrections to help you perform exercises safely and effectively, reducing the risk of injury and optimizing results. When performing exercises that involve bending or lifting, such as squats or deadlifts, it's important to use proper lifting mechanics to protect your knees and back. This includes bending your knees and hips, keeping your back straight, and lifting with your legs rather than your back. Using a mirror or recording yourself performing exercises can help you assess your form and make necessary adjustments. Number 6. Hydration and joint lubrication. Water is a critical component of synovial fluid, a viscous fluid that lubricates and nourishes the joints. Synovial fluid acts as a shock absorber, reducing friction between the bones and cartilage during movement and providing essential nutrients to maintain joint health. Dehydration can lead to a decrease in synovial fluid production, resulting in increased friction and wear on the joints, which may contribute to pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. In addition to lubricating the joints, staying properly hydrated helps maintain the elasticity and integrity of cartilage, the smooth, rubbery tissue that covers the ends of bones within the joint. Cartilage is composed primarily of water, making hydration essential for preserving its structure and function. Dehydration can lead to cartilage dehydration and breakdown, increasing the risk of joint damage and degenerative conditions like osteoarthritis. Optimal hydration also supports nutrient transport and waste removal within the joints, facilitating the delivery of essential nutrients, such as oxygen and glucose, to the cartilage and synovial fluid. Proper hydration helps maintain the balance of electrolytes and fluid levels in the body, ensuring efficient nutrient transport and waste removal processes within the joints. To stay properly hydrated and support optimal joint health, it's important to consume an adequate amount of fluids throughout the day. While water is the best choice for hydration, other fluids such as herbal teas, infused water, and low-sugar electrolyte drinks can also contribute to your daily fluid intake. Aim to drink at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day or more if you're physically active or in hot weather. It's essential to acknowledge that enhancing knee health is not a one-time endeavor, but rather an ongoing commitment to self-care and maintenance. As you implement the strategies outlined in this guide, remember to listen to your body, adapt to your individual needs, and seek professional guidance when necessary. Whether you're recovering from an injury, managing chronic conditions, or striving to prevent future problems, personalized care and attention are key to long-term success. In addition to the physical benefits of strengthening your knees, cartilage, and ligaments, there are also profound implications for your overall quality of life. Improved mobility, reduced pain, enhanced athletic performance, and greater independence are just some of the rewards that come with investing in your knee health. As you embark on this journey toward optimal knee health, remember that progress may not always be linear and setbacks may occur along the way. However, by staying committed to your goals and persevering through challenges, you can make significant strides in improving the health and function of your knees. That's it. See you in the next video.